Please welcome to the stage Dr. Valentyn Volkov, co-founder of Xpanceo.
Hello, everyone. So it's a great honor to be on this beautiful stage. And today I'm going to talk about a future of computing. Actually, this future is not that far away from these days. And in fact, it's happening right now just in front of our eyes, or I would say even directly on our eyes. So here we are talking about smart contact lens. A revolutionary technology that's supposed to completely reshape the way we communicate with the real and digital world. Okay, that's me. My name is Valentyn, and together with my partner, Roman Axelrod, we are running a deep tech company called Xpanseo. We are actually physically placed in Dubai, and we are leading a team of highly known experts in the field of novel materials, advanced optics, and photonics in order to create this beautiful gadget, a computer of the future. So once we start to talk about computer, let's take a look on this evolution. So all of us witnessed this tremendous progress. So computers changed significantly. So from bulky massive workstations in 80s to beautiful and nice, very small smartphones. So it's a tremendous progress. They became smaller, they became smarter, they became more advanced in terms of functionalities. The natural question is what the next? And at Xpanceo, we believe that the next step is not to try to make computer smaller, but actually to make it naturally and seamlessly being integrated into our everyday life. And that's where smart contact lens comes in. So that's the device. And I would say it's not a science fiction, it's rapidly developing reality. That's what I would say. So it's a big game changer. Imagine a device which can deliver a high-quality augmented reality image directly onto your eye, being simultaneously absolutely invisible and very, very comfortable. So it's like a next-generation optoelectronic wearable gadget, which is supposed to replace all the gadgets that you have right now, your smartphone, your smartwatch, smart glasses. And here it is. So as one can see, there is a certain amount of functionalities toughly packed within a very teeny form factor. So basically, remember all those things sitting inside a usual contact lens. So what we have here, first of all, of course, very small. So it's a highly integrated microprojector at the very center, which is supposed to deliver full field of view augmented reality experience directly onto your eye. The energy is fed through the solar cells and biocompatible micro batteries integrated directly into the lens. So this smart antenna will provide a nice communication with the outside world because there will be a certain need with the data exchange. And we also have biosensors. So those biosensors will measure a vast amount of information. Basically, it's all about your biometrical parameters, from intraocular pressure and temperature to analysis of unique structure of your tears inside your eye. And then, of course, it's coming together with some superhuman functionalities. The contact lens will give you ability to zoom, to see at night. And there are a few smart neural interfaces which will allow you to directly connect to your brain activity, and in the end, we hope you will be able to control the lens with the power of your mind. And of course, such a challenging task is not possible without having cutting-edge knowledge in several very important directions, scientific directions. First of all, of course, novel materials. Novel materials are absolutely necessary to create this advanced and yet very compact gadget. So here we are talking about two-dimensional materials, graphene, makes sense, perovskites, metamaterials. We have enough experts to deal with all those areas of advanced optical and optoelectronic materials. Then, of course, artificial intelligence. That's also very important. It's absolutely necessary because we are going to deal with a huge amount of information. First of all, of course, to analyze the work of our biosensors integrated into the lens. And then, of course, to be sure that augmented reality overlays provided by the lens, both seamless and useful, of course. And then, of course, advanced optics, absolutely important step because all the optical components, high-resolution displays, they are all produced with the help of advantages in the field of advanced optics. Plus, of course, neurointerfacing. You know, from optogenetic point of view, our eye, at least the retina of the eye, is a part of the brain. So, in principle, integrated jet electrodes into the contact lens will give you access to monitor the brain activity. So what we are trying here, we trying to provide most comfortable and natural way of controlling our contact lens with the power of the mind. The application of this technology is, of course, endless. First of all, of course, industry. So one can imagine a car repairing operator who is trying to deal with problems inside the car. So basically, what we have here, we have absolutely unique tool which provides you with a hand-free, very comfortable way of getting information. Basically, you can directly project the wiring scheme onto your agent, for example. So it's all definitely will improve in terms of quality, in terms of accuracy, and many other necessary functionalities during the working process. And of course, the applications, they are going beyond the industrial applications. So in the end, it will supposed to completely change our everyday life. So we have access, real-time access to information. Of course, real-time ability to communicate with everyone, actually, who has access to the internet. Of course, real-time health monitoring. In the end, you will have your own and very private biochemical lab, which is always with you. So it's what we call the concept of lab on a lens. And many others. So it comes beyond the display functionality. In the end, with the simple gestures, or maybe just with the power of your mind, you can control your smart house around you. It doesn't matter, is it a vacuum cleaner or in the end, a thermostat in your house. It all moves the ability to control real and digital world on a completely another level. In the end, we are talking about technology which will completely change our everyday life. And now I would like actually to make a short presentation. It's not that many people actually saw or had the chance to look through our lens. So right now we will try to do a small demonstration. So basically, we will try to project some images through our lens and put it onto the camera. It's just a simple examples. Okay. Let's try. It's coming. So what you can see, so it's still monochromatic, I'm sorry. So we are working on a full color display. But as you can see, it works. So what we are trying here, it's imaginary situations. For example, right now, I'm trying to transfer some part of Bitcoin to some of the person called, oh no, it's a health control. OK, so I'm checking my health control. So I imagine situation, you eat something, and now it's actually give you information about how sugar actually changes into your blood. Or, yes, now it helps you to drive your car. So in principle, of course, exactly in the same way, you can operate any gadget around you. Doesn't matter, is it a vacuum cleaner? Well, car is good, actually, as well. So it's actually give you some advices where you need to make a rotation up, right? OK. Seems like that's all. OK, thank you very much for your attention.